Once there was a boogie singer playing in a rock and roll band. I never had no problems, yeah, burning on the one-night stand. Then everything around me got to stop to feeling so low, and I decided quickly, yes I did, to just go down and check out the show. Yeah, they were dancing and singing and moving to the groove, and just when it hit me, somebody turned around and shouted, "Play that funky music, white boy. Play that funky music right. Play that funky music, white boy. Lay down the boogie and play that funky music till you die." Let me think, now what should I do? So many eager young bunnies that I like to pursue. Now even though they're eating at the palm of my hand, there's only one carrot and I gotta share it. I love you so, hey, that's what you say. You tell me, baby, baby, please don't go away. But when I play, I never stay. To every girl that I meet, yeah, this is what I say. Run away, baby, before I put my spell on you. You better get away, darling, 'cause everything you heard is true. The party of heart will end up alone, 'cause Lord knows I'm a rolling stone. So you better run away, baby. I'm coming out of my cage and I've been doing just fine. Gotta be down because I want it all. It started out with a kiss, how did it end up like this? It was only a kiss, it was only a kiss. Now